Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Vira Sarifah Meilani, NEM 1803211000032. Would like to present a summary of a scientific paper entitled Safe Program to Overcome the Water Crisis in Madura Dryland, Sumenep. Formulation of the problem. 1. Effort to overcome the crisis of water supply in Madura in irrigation. 2. Who are the parties involved in the Safe Rain program? And 3. What are the steps in the Safe Rain program? 1. Research methods. The method used in the KTI is based on literature studies such as articles, case studies, and other literature through a qualitative approach with the analysis used in descriptive analysis, which means analyzing one of the conditions in the Sumenep area and describing the data related to the existing problems. Effort or programs to overcome water crisis in irrigation. The effort made are the existence of the Safe Rain program is by saving rainwater in a large container. The then container is placed on each farmer's land. When the container has overlaid, there will be a hose that drains water down to the water storage below. The parties involved in the Rain Safe program. The parties involved including 1. Department of Agriculture, 2. Farmers, 3. Agriculture Extension, and 4. Academics. Step to Safe Rain program. Step in the Safe Rain including 1. The preparation stage, 2. In the implementation stage, which include training activities, implementation activities, and grindage. 3. The development stage, which includes evaluation related to the program that has been carried out. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.